Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how to use Stremio in your firework. First of all, you have to need NordVPN. Search Google and click on NordVPN for this. Then go to your Amazon TV. Here you can see a downloader option. Click on this and search downloader here. After hitting search, you will download it. Then go to your profile setting by clicking the home screen, and here you can see option in your setting my fire tv. Click on this and enable to developer option. After this you will have to see this one. Click on Firestick tv or 7 time press. Then enable the adb debugging and install unknown app, give permissions. After this, you have to go to this page. Click on downloader and turn on. After this, go through the downloader and paste your link streamio.com and go for it. After this, you will go to another site. Here you can see three lines. Click on these three lines. After clicking, you will see an option called downloads. Click on this. After clicking, you will see install option. Hit the install button and your file will be installed. Tap on done. After this, you will have to delete the downloaded file and another option. Now you have to enjoy your Streamo in your Fire TV. Thanks for watching.